Absolutely stunning panoramic lake views from this gorgeous Riviera Heights home, spaciously situated on 2 lots, approx 1/3 of an acre, close to the top of Riviera Heights Drive, with a wraparound deck to enjoy the views. The main level features an expansive open floor plan with a beautiful custom kitchen with stainless steel appliances, Corian countertops and gorgeous custom tile, dumbwaiter, breakfast bar and beautiful oak cupboards with plenty of storage. Welcoming living room buffers kitchen and dining area with beautiful imported Italian tile, wood stove, very large wide windows allowing for spectacular views of the lake to come in and mirrors all around to reflect it, perfect for those warm social events and family gatherings. Large master bedroom with a custom master bath featuring a large heart-shaped jetted tub, walk-in shower, gorgeous tile, and 2 very beautiful custom sinks. A second bedroom, full bathroom and laundry area also located on that same level. The lower level features a cute and quaint in-law unit with Italian tile throughout, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, pantry, kitchenette, entertainment area, wood stove, and is on its own electric meter. The attic area is very large with short ceilings, fixed up as a child's playroom with several different areas for play and a sewing room to boot. The water heater is an on-demand diesel and also is the heating for the main level, featuring hot water radiant heat. The cooling system is a master cool 10,500 CFM Evap cooler. There is also a 7.2 kW solar system that is 100% owned by the seller included, so the electric bills are small. Outside hookup for a generator to run the house in case of power loss, huge 20 by 44 car garage with lots of room for a workshop and plenty of shelves for storage. Outside security camera system also included in sale. Lots of outside parking for a RV or the like.